Hello, my name is Alex, and I'll be taking you through a project that I've built for the Virtu Hack online hackathon for Devpost. So let me share my screen and we get started. So my project is called Chem-Quest. On my right is the code base. I've developed the project using Flutter, and that because it's a cross-platform mobile application, and Flutter checks all those boxes because it makes it accessible to both Android and iOS. Yeah, so the project is called ChemQuest, and it's a mobile first educational chemistry game that revolutionizes how students learn chemistry, because chemistry is perceived as a very challenging and complex subject by most high school students. And this project, that was my inspiration to, bridge that gap and make chemistry learning more fun and exciting. Yeah, so I've hosted my project, so let me take you through. Let me get started. So yeah, when a user opens the application, he's greeted with a very nice looking splash screen. I've used some mascot for to reduce anxiety for the students. This is actually my pet cat, but express that. So yeah, after the splash screen loads, the user is taken to the dashboard. So this project it helps to gamify the learning experience of chemistry, make it more exciting, because as I've said before, it's perceived as a very challenging subject, and students tend to, learn passively instead of really understanding the concepts. They cram, they're not active learners because they don't really understand how everything works. So yeah, this is the dashboard. Uh, the student can access the games over here, or in this games tab over here in the navbar. So like the pH indicators game, for example, instead of students learning the theory about pH indicators and all, they can actually solve puzzles about it and learn more on it. Yeah, to help them, understand more deeply. So this is the game. I've turned on the hints. So the user of students need to drag this liquid to its correct pH position in the scale. So water is neutral, milk is also neutral, coffee is slightly acidic, so 5, baking soda is 9, soap is also slightly basic, bleach is really basic, lemon juice is really acidic, pH of 2, vinegar I think is 11, slightly basic, it's slightly acidic, so try again, 2. It's not 2, come on, 3, yeah, that's correct. Yeah, and after this, user finishes the mini game, get the score, the accuracy, because I've missed the pH of the vinegar, and the time that I've taken to complete this. And also the student has earned a few badges over here to make it more, you know, motivational. You want to come back and earn more badges and, yeah. So let's try the second game. It's called a Metric Quest. I don't know why I choose a really hard name. So that's it. This is about solving chemical equations, balancing chemical equations, that is. So let's start with this. So balance this chemical equation. We have uh, oxygen to carbon dioxide and water. So here we could put a 2. We have 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. Here we put a 1. A 1, sorry. The oxygen needs to be 4, so here a 2. 2. and here are 1. So yeah, you get a pop-up, you've balanced it correctly. Now you get a streak of 1 because we've solved one chemical equation. Then we get to the second one. So here we have nitrogen, hydrogen, and what's this called? We can't even remember. So, but I know how to balance it. That's the important stuff. So we put a 2 here. So we have 2 nitrogen and 6 hydrogen. 3 times 2, 6. So hydrogen is 6. So here it's supposed to be a 3. Now we get 3 hydrogen, and we already have 2 nitrogen on this side, so it's just a 1. Yeah, another pop-up that we balanced it correctly. Yeah, and the streak counter, it increments by 1, so we have a streak of 2. This one is quite challenging. I won't dwell on it, but you understand how the game works. So yeah, let's exit the game. So yeah, this is the dashboard once again. When a student exit the game like I've done, yeah, you can always come back and progress to where you stopped at. So, and also the student can view the detail, they can track their progress in this progress tracking tab over here. So yeah, this is the overall percentage of the games that I've completed. Then there's the streaks over here, which comes as it helps students to be more consistent. Yeah, yeah, and it also tells you to keep the momentum going. So yeah, that's nice. You get the mastery of the topics that you've learned. This one is almost at 100. Yeah, this one I have 72. That's where I've reached, and the organic chem. So yeah, the recent activity of the games that I've played. Yeah, and also there's the achievements. So every achievement the student unlocks, it comes here. And yeah, you can see some of the achievements, and there's like a progress bar. If it's complete, this one becomes unlocked, and so on and so on. So yeah, that's my game. That's the game. It's really good. It will boost engagement. It will make complex topics of chemistry to be, biteable chunks and easily digestible for students. Yeah, and it's actually, yeah. What else can I talk about? The future plans of this application. We intend to integrate the AI part to make it more engaging. Yeah, and also to integrate the teacher dashboard so that the teacher can track the students' progress on their own dashboard. Yeah, and also we plan to integrate all the STEM, what's it called? The STEM subjects. Yeah, including science like this one, mathematics, technical, and engineering. Yeah, so yeah, that's the game. I hope you liked it. And yeah, see you on the next one because I'll build more projects. Thank you for your time.